There are moments in the market when a chart demands your attention, not because it is screaming with volatility, but because its structure is quietly telling a story that is far from finished. This is Shah, and the coin we are analyzing today is MYX. The price right now is $3.35, and the chart is unfolding in a way that reveals both the stress of previous drawdowns and the potential for meaningful recovery if the current structure continues to hold. When we zoom out to the daily time frame, MYX shows one of the clearest examples of what traders jokingly call the Burj Khalifa pattern. The coin exploded upward in an aggressive rally and then retraced almost the entire move in a steep fall. This kind of pattern is usually the sign of an overheated market that corrected sharply. But what matters now is not the past spike. What matters is what MYX has built since that correction. The daily chart now shows the formation of a stable support zone at $2, which aligns perfectly with the August high. That level acted as a ceiling during the previous rally, and once the price flipped above it, it became an area that buyers wanted to defend. The fact that MYX returned to test this $2 support and held it strongly indicates the presence of committed buyers. Above price, we can mark a clear resistance at $3.6. This level has been tested and MYX is trading very close to it right now. When a coin starts to grind into resistance instead of being rejected sharply, it often suggests that buyers are gaining pressure while sellers are losing strength. If MYX manages to break above $3.6 with a clean candle close on the daily time frame, the next major resistance is sitting around $6. That is a wide gap for potential upside, and the structure does support this direction as long as buyers continue defending higher lows. Now moving to the 4-hour time frame, the picture becomes even more convincing. The momentum here is clearly bullish, with price making higher highs and higher lows. This is the simplest and strongest definition of an uptrend. The current structural support on the 4-hour chart sits around $2.5, which is the previous higher low that initiated the latest push upward. As long as MYX remains above this level, the bullish structure stays intact. The market is showing confidence, and each retracement so far has been shallow, which signals buyer aggression. The path forward is straightforward. A break above the $3.6 resistance can open the road towards $6. A healthy retest back to $2.5 would still keep the structure fully bullish. MYX is not in a rush, but it is steadily positioning itself for a larger move if conditions remain stable. If you enjoy these breakdowns and they help you stay grounded in your trading decisions, feel free to stay connected. Insight grows stronger when we grow together.